Quick research summary. What is Visily AI? An AI-powered UI design and wireframing software built specifically for non-designers, product managers, and founders who find tools like Figma too complex. Key features: generates high-fidelity mockups from text prompts, screenshots, diagrams, or templates. Includes smart components, auto-prototyping, and real-time collaboration tools like cursor chat, follower mode, and easy commenting. Review status: independent third-party public reviews are currently limited in our database, but featured user testimonials from product managers and directors highlight that it drastically cuts down the time spent explaining design visions and simplifies team handoffs. Ever had a brilliant app or website idea but absolutely zero design skills to bring it to life? If tools like Figma feel way too complicated, you are going to love this. In this video, we're looking at Visily AI, an AI-powered UI design software built specifically for non-designers who want to create high-fidelity wireframes and prototypes in minutes. Getting started is incredibly easy because Visily lets you build from almost any source of inspiration. You can start with a simple text prompt, upload a screenshot of a design you like, or even use a rough diagram. From there, the AI helps turn those rough ideas into sharp, clean visuals. Once your design is on the canvas, everything is fully editable. You can use Visily's smart components and auto-prototyping features to quickly turn static screens into interactive prototypes that you can actually share with clients or developers. Now, when it comes to user feedback, we have limited independent reviews available right now. However, early adopters, including product managers and startup founders, frequently mention that it is a lifesaver for quickly visualizing product concepts without the steep learning curve of traditional design software. It also features great collaborative tools like cursor chat, follower mode, and shared asset libraries, making team feedback seamless. Because we don't have a massive database of external reviews yet, the best way to see if it fits your workflow is to try it yourself. You can sign up for free on their website to start building. What do you think? Is this the tool that will finally replace your complex design software? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials.